All right, all right then. So, today's Tuesday. We had Canadian CPI and we got FOMC tomorrow. As discussed yesterday, I was expecting it to be a bit of a slow day in the markets today. We'll go into the hourly time frame and the daily time frame and just have a look at what's going on. So, on the daily time frame, you can see this is the candle for the day. No movement at all, really. On the 1 hour, we got this going on. You can see we've come up, accumulated in between London and New York, dropped down, and just chop. Same on the Nasdaq. It's come up, accumulate, push down, chop. Nothing going on, nothing doing. No clear draws here. Maybe down here, but it's not massively strong there. I did mark a point of interest here. So I have marked up, a potential sell setup that you could have taken ideally, but actually identifying this and being confident in this as it's unfolding is, it's just a lot lower probability of knowing that it's going to do this exact thing unless you can anticipate it. So thinking of power three, you got the wick in the morning of the wick of the daily candle comes up. You got the body of the candle, the expansion, the low of the candle here, and then that will be the small wick and just like that. To explain it, to be fair, you've not even really got that today. How's that? Wait, what? Wait, Tuesday or Wednesday right now? Tuesday, innit? So daily candle for Wednesday is already starting, but you can see, tiny little wick up, daily expansion, wick down, chop. This will be the chop here. So the reason why that's the chop there is because that is market close for US markets. So this will be a new daily candle starting going into the Asia session and so forth, I believe. Actually, I'm not sure why it's showing up on. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, a few words to take a trade here. Don't know why you would have wanted to take a trade today. This is what you could have possibly done. So got this nice imbalance, small imbalance that gets created and just a load of orders being filled in here. And then don't enter here. We don't enter until this is taken and it displaces nicely. Obviously you can see it's not clear breaker structure yet, but this candle here forms this fair value gap which I've marked out. We do trade up into that at 9:15 and price then just moves down. And what does it move down into? It moves down into this 15-minute imbalance down here. That's not massively clean price action. But if you did take that trade, that's just short of 2 to 1. And then, literally nothing's happened for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to keep it very short today because FOMC is looking to be a busy one. And let's leave it at that. Actually, before we go, depending on what the reaction is off the news, I'm anticipating we blast up here, to be honest. Unless the market sentiment and the news is heavily bearish, then just continue down, I guess. But like I say, we'll have to see what goes down. Because this, for all I know, could just be a retracement to fill this imbalance that was created here. I've got so much on my chart at the moment. Let me just this little imbalance, but it all depends really, doesn't it? I'm going to say that we take this as the order block entry across and then that's going to push up to, where's it going to go? Here. Now 300 pips on the S&P is a lot of pips. That is a lot of pips. So yeah, it is what it is. Similar sort of thing here. What we got? I guess maybe take that. So that's 500 pips. Just shy of 500 pips, like 400, 435, 442, something like that. But yeah, not much doing. No trades again. We'll just keep it simple and leave it at that.